Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this cute little wig. So just some insights on this. So this wig is a 4.5 by 6 and it is also 16 inches. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. It's actually 22 inches, not 16. So we're going to go ahead and be installing this wig. So I did already bleach the knots on it. What the fuck? So the knots are already bleached and I am going to just install it. So this is one of those breathable wigs, so it's not fully closed. It's like tracks, so you will be able to breathe in this. It also has an elastic band, but I'm going to take it off just because the elastic bands are, for my preference, too tight for my head. But it also has that grip back thing, so it's not really any strings connecting to it. It'll actually fit on my head perfectly. I don't know how they're making these. Like, it's literally magical, but it's gonna go on my head and it's literally gonna stay there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my hot comb on and hot comb the hairs back, and then I'm going to put it on. I actually don't even have to cut the lace. The lace is actually pre-cut, so it's like a ready to install kind of wig. So I'm just gonna still go ahead and customize it a little bit, but I'm gonna do that once it's actually on my head. And I'm not wearing any ball cap today, y'all. I cut my hair into a bob, that's why it's like that little ponytail. But we are starting over and we are starting fresh, so no ball caps, because I personally feel like ball caps pull your edges out. Alright you guys, so my hot comb is hot. I am just going to brush the hot comb the hairs on the lace back a little bit, so they're not really in the way as I lay this down. But judging from this wig, this is definitely an HD wig, and I really know it's gonna look a fire. It's literally already like pre-plucked as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on. I know that my parting looks a little bit funny, and that's because I keep trusting in blue shampoo, and blue shampoo is leading me wrong. If I'm doing something wrong, like, I need to be let known what am I doing wrong. But really quick, I'm gonna show you guys how I fix my part. Super simple. You're just gonna take your mascara and just close that out. It's super easy, and this mascara is so light. It's doing the job so fast. I'm gonna like perfect it, of course, but for now I just need to do a little something, because like looking at it, it was bothering me like bad. Alright, so this is how it looks. Right now, and that's like super easy. Like I said, y'all, I haven't really done anything yet. I'm just continuously brushing those hairs back, getting things about my way, so I begin to melt them right now. So I'm gonna lift this back just a little bit. I'm gonna do like a glueless glue method, and I'm going to be using the Evian spray, and this is the Lace Bond Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, ultra mega hold. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna put it right along where I want this to lay at. And I'm just gonna do a couple coats on my finger and just go back and forth like that. And honestly, that's good. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow it up, blow it a little bit. And then I'm gonna just put it forward and put it over my lace just like that. I'm gonna tap it in with my fingers, just like that. Don't mind those little strings. I'm gonna pull them out the wig afterwards. And now I'm gonna go over my blow dryer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna part out where I'm gonna do my little 2 baby hairs at, which will probably be like right here. So right here, and then with a hot comb right here out. I'm gonna hot comb this back so I have a little separation. And then hot comb that part. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hairline again. Where my baby is at, tap that in. Just like that, and then blow dry it. Alright, so this piece is on, and now I'm gonna make sure the little strings of hair and stuff are all in. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cut those baby hairs out the way, and I do cut them long just because I want my baby hairs to fall a certain way, so I gotta cut them long. Now I'm going to take some more of the spray, and I'm just gonna wet up the baby hairs, but not style them yet. I'm just wetting them up, because you know it takes, when you use this spray, it takes a lot longer to dry. So then I'll just start. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and try to see if I can readjust my part. A bit better. Put down some wax sticks. I swear I will never use blue shampoo to tone my hair again. Like, I don't know how it works for everybody else and not me. It's actually really easy to hot comb. Like, I don't have to go into different sections or nothing. It's hot combing perfectly easy. Alright, so now I just have to focus on my parting. And I'm also going to lay this down a second time in just a moment. I need my corner right here, definition. Like, it just gives the hair like a whole nother look. So now we are going to play with the parts. I got some leftover concealer residue, and I'm just going to glide this up and down my part. Do not mind how bright it looks. Mama is going to tone it down in a minute. And that is good enough for my liking. Alright, y'all, so now I just need to see what's over right here. I do see like some random strings of hair, and I pull them out. Now I'm going to use my finger and tap in some more of that spray. Right here. And then blow dry air on cool air and use my rat tail comb to lay it down. And then just literally lightly, I'm just pulling out the curls. I'm not even gonna wet it because the curls are like still in its same form, which I like. Just a few little nips. Oh, I like this. I've been getting some really pretty curly hair lately. Like, y'all know I love me some curly hair. Voila. So now I'm going ahead with my sleepless spray. This is my heat protector and oil sheen, and I'm just gonna just like wet up the curls with it a little bit and give it some shine and some luster without having to have that wet look. And voila, this is the final look. This is like such a super easy install. So I am wearing hair from Junoda Wig. Show you guys how to easily make it glueless, even though you guys. So just like this, fully on, looks great, and then just like that. So yeah, y'all, make sure you guys check out Junoda hair. Some bomb affordable quality hair that can easily be glueless or glued on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial.